6:43 this morning, and this line of clouds and rain associated with the cold front hasn't moved much from yesterday. That's because this front is stalled out. That said, though it's going to be stalled out, I think, for a lot of the day today, it's going to slowly start moving to the north again as a warm front. Now, this is going to be a very slow process. I mean, we're talking about through the day today and tomorrow, it's slowly moving north and then fizzling out somewhere along the northern Gulf. So today and tomorrow are our best chances of rain. That said, I think there's going to be a lot more rain in the Gulf itself and not as much inland, but enough activity in the Gulf that some of it is going to be moving inland. I do think we're going to start to see that activity start to move inland starting around 8 a.m. or so. So maybe by the end of the morning commute, especially right along the coast, I'm not sure we're going to see this much activity this far inland at 8 a.m., but the opportunity is there for starting to see a little bit of rain. Now, one thing to point out today is that it's looking like with the front stalled out just to our south and east and it really struggling to start moving to the north, there's going to be a slightly better chance of rain the farther south and east you live, and it's more likely you're going to stay dry to the north and west. Notice as we go ahead at noon, a little bit more activity around the Brownsville, South Padre area. That's the most likely place today where I think we're going to see rain, and the least likely up here in northwestern Starr County. Now, I think the best chance of rain is going to be late this morning, early this afternoon. As we get into the late afternoon hours, notice not as much activity showing up. The clouds generally thinning out, so we'll have partly to mostly cloudy skies most of the day, but eventually I think we're looking at mostly clear skies by the early evening hours. And again, if you have Friday night plans, those are looking dry, no rain to worry about. But as we jump ahead to tomorrow morning, we might start to see a few stray showers come back. The clouds will thicken up, and tomorrow I do think the best chance of rain is probably going to be in the early afternoon hours, 1, 2, 3 o'clock. Kind of a sea breeze effect, but still slightly enhanced because that front's still going to be nearby us. There'll be a couple of storms, but not everybody's going to see rain tomorrow. In fact, just like today, I think more will probably stay dry than see rain, but there's going to be some rain around. But just like today, I think skies will clear in the late afternoon, early evening. Saturday night, also looking dry. So Friday night plans, Saturday night plans are looking good. We get one more day today where I think we're going to average the low 90s in the valley. A high of 92, a touch warmer than yesterday, but not bad for this time of year. Can't really complain when we have highs in the low 90s for late July. Isolated showers and storms, best chance late this morning, early this afternoon, and though a lot of the day will be partly, mostly cloudy, I think late this afternoon, early this evening, skies will become mostly sunny. Not that breezy day. Winds just 10 miles per hour. Tonight, let's talk about the entire weekend forecast. Tonight looks dry, generally partly cloudy, mid-70s, normal for this time of year, but we're not talking about below normal temperatures anymore. Except for tomorrow, the high temperature probably just a touch below normal for this time of year because it looks like generally a mostly cloudy day with a 30% chance of showers and storms. Best chance in the afternoon and a slightly better chance towards the coast. I do think all that activity dies in the late afternoon, though, so Saturday night looking dry as well. Partly cloudy, the humidity starting to increase a little bit, 77 for our low. Notice Sunday, it's going to get breezy again. There's going to be more sun than Saturday, and it's going to be hotter than Saturday. Highs back around 97, above normal for this time of year. We'll be right back after this break.